Hello students, I am Aprupa, your science teacher, and I am back with yet another video on the chapter Food and Health. Now let us quickly revise what we learned in the previous video. Food. Food gives us energy to work, play, grow and make our body strong and healthy. Food provides us with nutrients. Now definition of nutrients. Substances in food which keep us alive and healthy are known as nutrients. Now there are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Coming to carbohydrates, these are also known as energy giving foods. It provides us energy to work. Its sources are rice, potato, bread, wheat, sugar and noodles. Fats also give us energy to store for later use. It keeps our body warm. Its sources are butter, oil, ghee, nuts and cheese. Next, coming to proteins. They are known as bodybuilding foods. Protein helps in repairing worn out cells and it also builds muscles. Its sources are fish, meat, cheese, chicken, dairy products, pulses and nuts. Next is vitamins and minerals, which are also known as protective foods. We studied that vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K are some vitamins required by our body, while calcium, iron and phosphorus are some minerals which are required for the proper functioning of our body. Vitamins and minerals protects us from diseases and also helps in our body in growth and development. Its sources are fruits and vegetables. Next we studied about water and roughage. We studied that 70% of our body is made up of water and it has many functions, like it removes waste from our body, it forms large part of blood, it maintains body temperature. While roughage is that part of food which cannot be digested by our body. It also helps in removal of waste. Now I hope you have recalled everything that we studied in the last video. Now coming to this video, here I will cover 3 topics. First is balanced diet, second junk food and third is food adulterant. Balanced diet. Now what is balanced diet? It is the diet that contains all the nutrients, roughage and water in right quantity according to our body requirement. That is depending on the age, height and weight of an individual. Now let's see a video to understand the concept properly. Now for balanced diet, food is divided into 4 categories. First is cereals, which contains rice, chapati, bread, noodles. It provides us carbohydrates and minerals. Next group is vegetable and fruit group, which provides us with vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates. Third is milk group, like milk, cheese and other dairy products. It provides us with proteins, fats and minerals. And last group is proteins, which consist of meat, fish, egg, chicken and it provides us with proteins and fats. Now why is balanced diet important? It is important because we get energy to work in the form of fats and carbohydrates. We get enough protein for growth and repair of the body. It provides us with vitamins and minerals to remain healthy. And it also gives us enough water and roughage to digest foods and remove waste. Now I hope you have understood what balanced diet is. Now moving on to the next topic, junk food. What is junk food? Those food items which contain excessive calories and have very little nutritional value are called junk food. Now what are the adverse or the harmful effects of junk food? First, it makes our body fat and obese. Second, it causes diseases like high blood pressure and diabetes. Third, it may cause digestion related problems. And fourth, it also leads to fatigue and reduction in concentration. Now I hope you have understood how harmful junk foods can be. So please don't eat it regularly and stick to healthy food for proper functioning of your body. Now the third and last topic of today's video, food adulteration. What is food adulteration? It means to add harmful substances to food items in order to increase its quantity. What are adulterants? Substances which are added to food adulteration are called adulterants. You can understand adulterants with some examples. Like in milk, water is added to increase its quantity. In the same way, urea is also added, which is harmful for our body. In pulses, sand and stone is added to increase its quantity. In red chili powder, brick powder is added. Fruits, artificial color and sweeteners are added. And in ghee, vegetable oil and animal fat is added. These are some examples of food adulterant and the food items in which it is added. With this we come to the end of this video. I hope you have understood all the three topics properly. Now we have to cover only one more topic of this chapter, that is diseases, on which I'll make another video. So children, before ending this video, I would like to remind you to please wash your hands properly at least for 20 seconds. Any soap or hand wash which is present at your homes. Please wash your hands after sneezing, before and after eating, after using your toilets or after even touching any surface.